7 extraordinary animals that survive hurricanes. Hurricanes are some of the most powerful and destructive forces in nature, unleashing ferocious winds, torrential rains, and towering waves. Yet, in the midst of these violent storms, there are animals that have evolved remarkable strategies to survive and even thrive in the chaos. Join us as we explore 7 incredible animals that have mastered the art of surviving hurricanes. We begin our journey in the coastal mangroves with the American alligator, a resilient survivor of powerful storms. When a hurricane approaches, these massive reptiles submerge themselves in the safety of deep waters or burrow into mud to wait out the storm. Their bodies are designed to withstand extreme conditions, with strong tails and muscular bodies that allow them to navigate turbulent waters. Alligators have an extraordinary ability to slow their metabolism and stay underwater for extended periods, making them perfectly suited for surviving the floods and chaos that hurricanes bring. Next, we ascend to the skies, where the Frigatebird rides out hurricanes with a unique strategy. Unlike most birds that seek shelter, Frigatebirds have adapted to use the edges of storms to help them travel faster. They can glide for days on wind currents, often flying hundreds of miles around the outer bands of a hurricane. With their lightweight bodies and large wingspans, Frigatebirds use the power of the storm to their advantage, staying just outside the dangerous eye to avoid being swept into the chaos. Their ability to ride the winds shows how some animals can turn even the fiercest weather into an opportunity. Our journey continues with the ghost crab, a creature that lives along the beaches most vulnerable to hurricane-force winds and storm surges. These small, fast-moving crabs burrow deep into the sand to escape the worst of the storm. Their tunnels not only protect them from predators, but also from the intense winds and flooding caused by hurricanes. After the storm passes, ghost crabs emerge to feed on the debris and dead sea life washed ashore, showing how they adapt to the storm's aftermath by turning destruction into opportunity. Now, we visit the dense forests where the brown pelican faces hurricane threats head-on. Brown pelicans are masters of survival, and when hurricanes approach, they gather in large flocks and move inland, seeking shelter from the winds. After the storm passes, these resilient birds return to the coastline, often taking advantage of the disruption to find fish closer to shore. Their strong wings and expert flying skills help them navigate the winds, and their adaptability ensures their populations recover quickly, even in the face of fierce storms. We now dive into the rivers and marshes where the bull shark thrives. This powerful predator can live in both saltwater and freshwater, allowing it to move into rivers and estuaries when hurricanes cause a surge of saltwater. Bull sharks are known to venture far upstream to escape the rough seas, avoiding the turbulence that comes with hurricanes. Their ability to adapt to different environments makes them incredibly resilient, and after the storm, they return to the ocean, continuing their hunt as if nothing had happened. Next, we head underground to meet the Gopher Tortoise, a land-dwelling creature that digs deep burrows to survive hurricanes. Gopher tortoises are expert diggers, creating long tunnels that can be over 30 feet deep. When a hurricane hits, they retreat into these burrows, which protect them from wind, rain, and falling debris. These burrows not only serve as a sanctuary for the tortoise, but also for many other animals that share the underground shelters, making the Gopher tortoise a crucial part of the hurricane survival strategy for numerous species. Finally, we reach the treetops where the tree frog clings to branches as the storm rages on. These small amphibians, found in regions prone to hurricanes, have adapted to survive in high winds and heavy rains by seeking out the shelter of dense vegetation or tree holes. Tree frogs use their sticky pads to hold on to leaves and bark, riding out the storm in their natural habitat. After the hurricane passes, tree frogs emerge, their calls echoing through the soaked forests as they return to their normal routine in the revitalized environment. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of hurricane survivors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay with us as we uncover more amazing stories of survival and resilience in the natural world.